Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find the differential of y of the given function. This time we're going to deal with the product. Okay, we're supposed to find the derivative of a product. So we have to realize that this is going to be our u. Okay, this is going to be our v. So I have to use this formula for the product, derivative of the product. So u is equal x plus 2 to the second power. U prime is equal to x plus 2 times 1, okay? I'm not going to write it. V is equal 1 minus 3x to the third power. V prime is equal 3. 1 minus 3x to the second power times the derivative of the content of the parentheses times negative 3. So I can say that v prime is equal negative 9, and I have 1 minus 3x to the second power. Next, I'm supposed to use this formula as I mentioned before. So I have y prime is equal u. I have x plus 2 to the second power times v prime, which is equal negative 9, and I have 1 minus 3x to the second power plus v. Okay, v is 1 minus 3x to the third power times u prime. U prime is 2 times x plus 2. Now we are going to organize this expression a little bit. So I have y prime, this is equal negative 9. I'm going to copy this down over here. And I have x plus 2 to the second power times 1 minus 3x squared. Okay, I'm finished with this part. Plus, I have 2, so I have 2. I have 1 minus 3x to the third power times x plus 2. Now we can do some factorization. So we can factorize x plus 2 and 1 minus 3x squared. So I'm going to write y prime is equal x plus 2 times 1 minus 3x squared, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have negative 9 times x plus 2, okay, and over here I'm going to have plus 2 1 minus 3x, close parenthesis. So I have y prime is equal x plus 2 1 minus 3x squared, and we can organize the content of these parentheses. So I have negative 9x negative 18 plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times negative 3x is equal negative 6x. So I have y prime, this is equal x plus 2 1 minus 3x squared, and I have negative 9x and negative 6x is equal negative 15x. Negative 18 plus 2 is negative 16. Now, in order to write the final answer, you're supposed to realize that you're supposed to multiply both sides of the equation, obtained equation, by dx. Okay, so you are going to obtain something like this. You can say dy is equal x plus 2, copy down everything, whatever we have got, 1 minus 3x square times negative 15x minus 16, and everything multiplied by dx. And this is my answer to this problem.